how to identify accessible departures and stops on transit app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can identify accessible departures and stops on transit app. The first step is to launch the app. After launching the app and you are brought to the home page, you would see the gear icon by the top left corner of the screen. Just ensure you click on it. Okay, after clicking on it, at the top part you'll see some icons, which include the profile icon, the middle slider icon, as well as an S icon. So just click on the middle slider icon. After clicking on it, on this page you'd see some tabs, which includes my locations, my transit mode, my transit options. So under my transit options, scroll down and select show accessibility info. If it's not enabled, it will be gray, but if it's enabled, it will be green. So once it's enabled, under it, ensure you also select show accessible trips first. And then after selecting it and you've enabled that, you will be able to distinguish whether the approaching vehicle coming to that stop is accessible and whether the closest station or stop to your location is accessible. And a notification will be sent to you to identify all of this, and then you'll be good to go. So this is how it works. Okay, this is how you can identify accessible departures and stops on transit app. Thanks for watching and have a good day.